What is jibing? Jibing is opposite from tacking, which means you're going downwind and you want to change sail position or you want to change direction of a sailboat. So, in this case, wind on a starboard, you move the helm to the port. Most important thing about jibing is before jibing, centering the boom position. So it means you want to pull the main sheet and a traveler, center the boom, make sure it doesn't hit anybody as you do the jibe. So it's opposite from tacking also because you're doing it slowly. You want to make sure you don't do the damage on the rigging. Also, you don't want to heel intensively as you go down the wind. So let's do it. You're centering the main sheet. You can see it here very close to the center. We prepare the crew, we communicate, and we are turning the boat down the wind to the port. In this moment, Genoa is flapping, which means it's gonna flip over. In this moment, ease the jib sheet on a port, pull the jib sheet on a starboard. Also, now it would be a good moment to ease the main sheet, so let the boom go away from the boat. Trim the boat properly and make it move again.